Hello everybody. So I just got back from Idaho and this was on my doorstep. And I'm just going to do a quick unboxing tonight and then tomorrow I'll come and do a video on it. I know that I do need to get back to doing my videos to help myself here. So this is the Griffin mystery box that I decided it was time to try something new. And I love Griffin, but we all know it's a little expensive, and so I just wanted to try and see if this ends up being worth it or a good value, whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and take all this right here. I thought I was gonna take all this right out of the box, and I'll set the box over here. And now we can look at what is in the box. Ooh, lots. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? Okay, let's see. See what we have here. Okay, I want to first look at the dies. I don't know. Just something for the card. I don't think there's any instructions or anything. So, this may end up being a, what can you think of? I'm not sure what this, just a decoration, I guess. Okay. Okay. And then we have pink bows. I really couldn't tell you how many's in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably like 15 or 20 maybe. Could be more, I'm not sure, but okay. And then we have the sentiment tags, or whatever you want to call them. We have happy anniversary. For my friend. Get well soon. With sympathy. Happy birthday. And for someone special. So really, an assortment, a definite assortment. Okay, let's take a look at the stickers, if they're stickers or here we go. Okay, I guess the best way to do this is pull them out and put them back in. Okay, so this also looks like it's going to be a very assortment. So, 2 of those. And I'm sure 2 of these, yes. 2 of these. And I guess you would call these a white rose, I don't know. Pink on the inside. And here's okay, so 2 of those. And then 2 of these. And these. And let's see. Okay. So 2 of each side. Right? And a lot of hers she does that way. These. Here's some more of the rows. So these, see, they're going in the opposite direction. You want that a lot sometimes. Okay. And then, so these probably going to be the same thing. Probably 2 for each side. Okay. Same thing. 2 of each side. So this little bud is on this side on this one, and on the opposite side on these. Okay. So I love the assortment of flowers here. Okay. So we have these 2 go together, and these 2 go together. All right. These. So these little roses again. I don't know if those were different sides. These. Okay. See different sides here. I love that. Okay. And then these. Okay. Now, I'm going to get this. And looks like it's going to be butterflies and moss, but I'm not sure. So here's like a little bee. Make sure I show you. 2 of this. Oh, a couple of presents. Butterfly. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. This one. Some more of this one. Some more of this one. Some more gifts. That. Teacups. These ones. And some more teacups. Okay. All right, then we also got envelopes. The inserts. Let's see. I don't mind opening them. From morning till night, may your birthday be a delight. I'm going to assume there's 2 of them, yes. With the warmest of wishes, this just comes to say, hope that you're feeling much better today. Here's wishing you good luck in whatever you do, success, and most of all, happiness too. An anniversary is a time to celebrate the joys of today, the memories of yesterday, and the hopes of tomorrow. Life is a journey, and love is what makes that journey worthwhile. A friend is someone who reaches for your hand and touches your heart. Okay, and there's 2 of each of those. So we've got quite an assortment here. Now let's look at the card blanks and the paper. Okay, so we got 2 of these. 2 of these. I really like these. 2 of these. 2 of this. 2 of this. I like that one. I really like that one. And 2 of this. And I'm wondering if the papers are going to be the exact same. I'm thinking they're going to be. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay. So the butterfly. 2 of that. 2 of this one. I'm going to turn it this way because I have a feeling it should be that way. I really like this one. And then this one. And this one. This one. So pretty. It's a paisley print, right? Love it. And then this one. So, what we've got is assortment. Assortments of everything. And I am not at all disappointed. And think I will be coming tomorrow and we will make some cards with this. I didn't look to see if this was one-sided. Yes, it's all one-sided. Okay. I'm just going to get everything put away. And we are just going to come tomorrow and we're going to enjoy the kit and the stickers and just make up the cards and see where we end up with it. Like how many do we get made and all that? Yeah, I think that's what we need to do tomorrow. Alright everybody, if you like my video and you want to see how my cards turn out, please hit the like and subscribe button or tune back in tomorrow. I hope you enjoy my video. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.